How to sign out your account in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now this interface will pop up. So basically we're in this home section. Here on the right top, you can find your profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So this is the place where you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the bottom, you can find a section called Sign Out. Simply tap on Sign Out. Now before doing so, make sure you have your ID and password saved because later you might need it. Now you're all set to go. Later you can easily sign in back to your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you